A lot of people really like the fact that you learned the Irish anthem. You took the time to do that.
Yeah, I just felt that everyone has always supported me down here in Munster, And when I finally arrived, or when it was an opportunity for me to play, that everyone supported my decision, and I just felt that I wanted to show them that I appreciate everything, to the coaches and supporters and my family, that everything they gave to me, And it took me a while to get through the words.
Yeah, who helped you?
In the beginning, my wife Googled there's some Australian guy. I don't know where he got it from, but he sings in an Australian accent. He just learns you different words. It's not the Ranavine words, but it's words that's similar. And then I think we got to the hotel, the Shelburne, and I said to Donica Ryan, I think I need a bit of help. And he literally sat in my room for about 4 hours till I sang it full out without making mistakes. At stages where it got awkward, where I'm sitting there with, I think James Cronin was in the room, and I have to sing to two boys. It was like, this is awkward. I don't want to do it. He's like, you're going to sing? And I'm not taking no for an answer. And fair play to him. At the end, it worked, And if it wasn't for my wife and for him, I wouldn't have stuck through with it or know it that good, So I think it's something special. I really enjoy it.
Yeah.
To go out there on a Saturday, it means a lot for me, and I can see how much it means for the supporters and everyone, the players also,
Yeah.
to get a slap on the back and say, well, that's nice,
Yeah. Was that the night before the match in the Shelburne? 4 hours?
Two nights before the match.
I was just thinking you'd be pretty tired the next day.
Yeah, well, yeah, we still went to bed around 10 o'clock, but the next day we went on with it again, But
wow.
I think I had to take a bit of honey just to make sure the voice cords are still right, because 4 hours of singing, it took a bit of work.
No, well, look, we think it's a great thing.